description.
Alright, hey! This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something, it's made in Malaysia for the Hong Kong market. It says Ayam with their Malaysian Sambal shrimp noodles. And this might be really, really good, folks. I have a feeling it will be. So we have shallots, fried shallots. We've got paste, and we have a non-fried noodle block. Nice and square. I kind of appreciate that. 5 minutes on the boil. So I got a funny story for you. So there's something now called Amazon haul. Like I'm going to haul something from here to there, you know, something heavy, but it's kind of like Temu, it's kind of like Wish, it's kind of like Deal Extreme, if you even remember that one. But you have to pay shipping. I mean, we've got Prime, but you got to pay shipping unless you spend $25, then it's free. But on there I saw something peculiar. I saw, no boiling over. I'm not having any of that. Don't worry, you'll get to see the noodles cook in a minute. Yeah, you're behaving. But I found this roll of 500 stickers on there, and to get it shipped to me, it took a little bit longer, but it cost like $6.50. But they're interesting stickers, as you can see. So I thought they'd be kind of funny. I could put them on junk, and you know. Here, now you can look. Now you can watch. But yeah. So I got a big roll of 500 for rectal use only stickers. I know. You're like, dude, what are you going to do with that? Well, I'll tell you. I've already used them in one spot. So there was the guy who was the CEO for United Healthcare, and then the guy who went and killed him. And on the bullets he used to shoot this guy, he had written on them, what was it? It was 3 words. I can't remember, but anyways, they had to do with the healthcare industry and blah, blah, blah. Well, a lot of people are rallying behind the guy who killed him and are, like, thinking that he did a great thing and all this. It's like, no, dude, no. No. That's not how you get change in a lasting way of any type. The only thing he did was made it so healthcare CEOs and probably CEOs from a lot of companies, now they have to pay for bodyguards and extra security. Anyways, so somebody put up a sticker in the porta potty that's next to kind of a waypoint when I go on my walks, and it had, what was it? Oh, that's right. It was basically 3 words that insurance companies use on how to, like, deny a claim. And then it had, like, deny, and then it had a bullet wishing past. And the next word it had a bullet wishing past. And the next word it had another bullet wishing past. And then at the bottom it said deserved. And it's like, nah, I'm not down with that. So I covered up all the words and all the bullets with for rectal use only stickers. So that was a thing. I'm trying to think of other things to do with them. I was thinking going to the grocery store and maybe putting one on a pack of hot dogs. I thought that just made me laugh, just the thought of that. I put one on our little mini vacuum cleaner, but I don't know. The hot dog thing, I don't know. I might do it, but it just seems kind of like, sir, what are you doing? Oh, nothing. Sir, why are... Whoa, I'm gonna call security. I don't know, probably not. But I think it would be kind of funny. What do you think? Answer in the comments below. But I don't know, it's a pretty big roll of these little tiny stickers. It said there's 500 of them, so I'm gonna definitely give out a few, and my goal is, like, whoever I give out like a strip of 10 of them to, I'm gonna be like, okay, these are for you. You have to take a picture of what you put them on. That's all I want. I think that'd be funny. But, you know, 500 for rectal use only stickers? I mean, how can you how could anybody say, nah, I don't think I'm gonna get that? It was like, I can't remember what I was looking. I looked on the Amazon haul. I looked for ramen, nothing. Looked for all sorts of different things, and I really didn't find much of anything that really was stuff that I needed. And then I saw that, and I'm like, wow. I wonder if they have any other ones, like, I don't know what. Biohazard stickers? Those would be fun. But, yeah. Funny guy, the ramen raider. Ha ha ha. Yeah. So I'm stoked. I do have some extra of this stuff. So I'm going to be sharing a pack of this with my new friend, the bus driver for my children, who likes spicy. I've given bus drivers ramen before, but they're usually like, oh, that one was way too spicy. I'm thinking, like, that didn't have any spiciness to it. But that's okay. Ooh, yeah. This smells like it's Hybe, and the people that are involved with this make Hybe noodle, and it's acting like it, that's for sure. This stuff, it doesn't want to, like, mix up into it. Maybe I just have a bad technique, but I really would love it if it would mix into it well. Well, it might be doing a little better. And it kind of all wants to sit together, which is fine. I mean, I could eat this stuff by the spoonful, let me tell you. It's really quite good. But it's got shrimp in it, and it's got that super strong prawny, shrimpy taste that drives me bonkers. So let's give this a try, eh? All right. Non-fried noodle and that stuff. Mm-hmm. Little bits of chewy. That is divine. That, I will be eating all of it. Now I'm wondering, do I really want to give that bus driver guy one of these? I don't know. The problem is that I would love to eat this and then eat it again, but the problem is when I would do that, and I just probably will end up having it sit well past the I don't know, the expiration date, because I just never have time. Like, I do this, And then, you know, I cook other foods too. Nice and chunky. I like that. Okay, come on, buddy. I'm trying to decide how I want to do things here. I have a limited amount of space to garnish and beautify. And yeah, I will try it with the scallion, or the crushed, or the fried shallot topping. And then I also have a shrimp that I let kind of mill about in some chili oil. That shrimp will hang out there. And I have this egg. And I'm looking at it, and I'm like, oh. Where are you gonna hang out? Whoa, 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 come on. Ah. Normally I'd like to add some more stuff here. I've got all this leftover scallion, but I really don't have room. Just a little bit of seed on top. I think that's gonna be it. But yeah, if you like prawn, if you like shrimp, like sweet, shrimpy, prawny wonderfulness, I highly recommend this. Come on. There you go. Watch it go. Well, I'm going to tell you right now, this stuff is da bomb. So if you want to try it, I highly recommend it. And yeah, there'll be more to see, more to do, more to try. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.